Power steering helps you turn your car's wheels easily and smoothly. Bleeding the power steering fluid removes this trapped air and makes the steering work properly again. There are simple steps to bleed your power steering fluid. Use a car jack to lift the front of your vehicle carefully. Make sure the car is on a flat, level surface before lifting. Once raised, place jack stands under the car to keep it secure and stable. Lifting the front wheels makes it easier to turn the steering and remove air from the system. The power steering reservoir is usually found under the hood of your car. It is a small plastic or metal container marked with power steering on the cap. Most reservoirs are located near the engine and connected to the power steering pump by hoses. If you are unsure, check the owner's manual for the exact location. Remove the power steering reservoir cap and look at the fluid level inside. Most reservoirs have minimum and maximum level markings on the side. The fluid should be between these two marks for proper operation. If the level is low, add the recommended power steering fluid slowly. With the engine completely turned off, sit comfortably in the driver's seat and grip the steering wheel firmly. Slowly turn the wheel all the way to the left until it stops, without forcing it. Then turn the steering wheel all the way to the right in a smooth motion. Repeat this process several times to help release trapped air from the power steering system. After turning the steering wheel, open the hood and check the power steering fluid level again. Look for any drop in the fluid level or signs of bubbles or foam. If the level is low, add more of the recommended fluid slowly. Make sure the fluid stays between the minimum and maximum marks. Start the engine and let it run for a short time, about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep the steering wheel still while the engine is running. This allows the power steering pump to move fluid through the system. Then turn off the engine to prepare for the next step in bleeding the system. Start the engine and keep it running while you sit in the driver's seat. Slowly turn the steering wheel all the way to the left until it stops, then gently turn it all the way to the right. Move the wheel back and forth smoothly, avoiding holding it at full lock for more than a couple of seconds. Repeat this several times to help push out any remaining air from the power steering system. Take your car for a short test drive around your neighborhood to check its performance. Gently turn the steering wheel left and right, ensuring it feels smooth, responsive, and free from noise or unusual resistance. By following these steps, you will be able to correctly bleed your power steering fluid.